these police state-sanctioned murders that have occurred in this month. The murder of Timothy Russell and Melissa Williams on the 29th of November. The murder of Tamir Rice on November 22nd. And the murder of Tanisha Anderson on the 19th of November. These horrific murders happened in this country. The project. We will be making a left turn right here, just right. Convict and implant today the whole damn system. We shoot the ass here. No justice. No return. No justice.
We don't want to hear shit from the mayor about this or that. We want those killer cops.
Maybe some other folks. Are you the mayor? Why don't you answer us? I didn't touch you. You touched me. You fucking asshole. You touched other people. I didn't touch you ever.
But we know that you're just gonna back these fucking killer drugs because that's what you do. You're a part of it. Legitimately wanted to know. So no statements at all?
Are you doing anything to try and have McGinty behave like he should in terms of following the system? Murder is murder. If I murdered somebody, I'd be indicted.
You have a prosecutor acting as a defendant in this city. He's supposed to be on the Rice family side.
We've been talking to him.
Every day. When are we going to come out onto the streets and demand that this stop? We have to do it today. There's no other time. No justice!
We hear from mothers who have lost their sons. Sometimes we don't know what it's like until we miss a loved one ourselves. We got to end the madness. We've got to stop the madness before it ends up happening to each and every one of us standing out here. Let me tell you something. I am Tamir Rice.
They're trying to turn us out. You cannot turn us out.
To the stories of how these pigs killed these families.
No justice.
What's up, guys?
Send them to the top today. The whole damn system. Now. Justice! Mercy!
Because it's been a year since Tamir Rice was killed in cold blood at Cadell. We're on the streets because we believe the only answer to all this is taking back the streets and rising up in power and not letting a system continue to let these symptoms of killing people and economic inequality, homelessness, all these things are tied together against the same system. So we're here today to be on the streets to demand justice, demand an indictment, and demand that the cop be locked up in jail.